Hey Brenda, this is Andy. This is March 2019, and I just wanted to show you how to add products to your website. So first, let's go to Wix. I'm taking you from the very beginning. I've already logged into yourself, so this is how you log in. We're going to go to Hadley K. As you can see, I've made a little bit of changes to your website and how it looks. That's okay. We're going to go, instead of hitting on the website, let's go to the store products. Here you're going to find all of your products, and I'm going to go to collections. Here are the collections that I've already started. My very own journal, books, character seeds, and here are where all your products are going to end up. You can't delete this one because this is like where your everything is gathered together. But let's go to character seeds, and you can create products. So you can add products into this section. So you can go obedience character seeds. That's one that I remember you adding. Right here, we can search for the products that we're going to be putting in. So when we go to products, this is the other button, products, you can just create a new product. You'll be probably doing ebooks, unless you're doing character seeds or something like that, then you can do physical. I want to say this one's a digital file. I'm going to say upload file whenever you have the file ready, and then the product I'm going to put here. So let's say Prey, and we can always change this. Prey, the praying character seeds. You can go save, and it won't let you save until you have a file uploaded here. And then you can put your price. You can put your add images. You can put track your inventory. Right over here, this is the most important part, is over in your collections. You should put whatever it is. So this one's a character seed. I put character seeds. That way, whenever you're a customer and you want to see all the character seeds, you can just go to a collection. So this is how you would put new products on your website. I hope this helped you out quite a bit. Let's try to work on this. And just whenever you get a new website, make sure to put it on there. Okay, you have a wonderful day.